How to share location on WhatsApp? Let's get started. For that, first of all, you can simply start with the first method. Open up your Google Maps application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, you can simply tap on your profile icon. Inside, just scroll below, tap on location sharing, and just like that, tap on share location. Right over here, you want to go ahead and tap on more option, and just like that, inside here, you can simply select WhatsApp right over here, and just like that, choose the contact you want to send your location to, and just like that, your location will be shared. Now let's move on to the second method. So open up your WhatsApp application and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, you can simply go to the chat where you would like to share your location, and then tap on this plus button. Inside here, you will be able to find the location option. Tap onto it, and now you can simply tap on share live location, and just like that, set your timing. Choose how long you want to share it for, then tap on the send button, and just like that, your live location is now shared directly to the WhatsApp. So yeah guys, those are two easiest ways to share your location on WhatsApp. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.